Right? See? Mabilis bumaba yung
Bilis,
temperature.
no?
Pag iyan ay mababa sa 180, it's not going to hit
Matigas
the
na
gut
siya.
niya. It's going to hit the gut temperature up.
So once na pag-press ko,
Oh,
Push
yeah,
na yun.
within 1 second.
Pag sound yun, push na yun.
Push na yun, yeah. So, pwede mo naman practice-practicein yung
Malapit
ano
mo na, malapit mo na. daan.
Okay. Alright.
Ito, una nga daan sa buhok ko. Sulit.
Okay. Then, ano na doon? Pag andun ka na sa length mo, let go agad. Don't linger it
okay.
inside. Right? Baka kasi pag nilinger mo, the temperature is going to travel.
okay,
Alright? And then, once na namatay na siya, press,
press.
wiggle, pull.
Up, out, dayon.
Out na yun.
Basigay.
If you wanna put the posterior tooth, ang positioning mo is like this. Okay. And why is it like that? Kasi ito ay lagi nasa distal. Right? Nasa distal siya. Okay. Baliktad. Saka ergonomically, yun yung magandang positioning kasi. Right? Pag ganyan. Right? Makikita niyo mamaya. Also, ang muscle memory niyo dito is placing this the clamp the clamp holder in the clamp. Para mukhang madali siya tingnan pero it will take time for you to do that. Kailangan maano niyo ma-memorize niyo nang maayos yung muscle niyo kung paano mo lalagay yan. Of course, the first step that you need to do, I haven't used this one, so medyo tight yung kanyang mga kanyang contacts, which is good, but the first step is for you to make punch the hole. Okay? Sinasabi ko nga lagi kanina, alright? You could put the frame agad and then you punch the hole, or you punch the hole and then you put the clamp and then you clamp the tooth and then you put the frame. That's how I do it. But I never put the frame first here, the clamp first and then put the rubber dam. Kasi that way, pwede disengage yung rubber dam, yung clamp, and then the patient can swallow it. You don't want that. Okay? So, somewhere in the middle, okay? Medyo sa gitna. Okay? Medyo matalim ito, so I like it kasi once na-punch mo na, it's easy for you to get it, right? Now, pag nilagay mo yung clamp, yung rubber dam, you want it to be covering the nose a little bit. Bakit? Actually, I like the smell. Medyo may pagka-menthol. So if you put that here and you access the tooth, hindi na pumupunta yung mga splatter ng handpiece sa ilong, right? But sometimes other patients can have claustrophobia. They don't want anything that's covering their nose. So what you could do is you put it lower, or you put it the same place, but you cut this area with a scissor para makahinga ng maayos yung pasyente. But I think the best way is to explain to the patient na hindi naman ito nakapasok sa kanyang nose, and when you put it, just breathe, do breathing exercises, and it should be fine. Okay? So pag nandiyan na yan, of course, let's say you want to isolate a maxillary central, you really need to put the clamp in, all right? Hawakan niyo ng maayos, okay? And then put the clamp right there, okay? So pag maliit yung ninyo, maliit ang inyong butas, it will what?
Tear.
It will tear, okay? It will tear. Okay, so pag nandiyan na, alright, you could hold it, okay? And then, let's say you want to isolate to one. Okay, one thing that you could do also is to put a mark, right? Ay, nabunot. Clamp ay yung rubber dam sa interproximal. Ngayon, pag hindi siya pumasok, for example, you could always floss it down, right? Okay. Before placing this, but it doesn't really matter, okay? So let's say, for example, you need to take a PA, radiograph. What you could do is, you remove this, and then you braid it And then you could put your
Pwede lang
uh,
siya.
your
Radiograph.
radiograph here. So
Yun
let's say
pwede
for
mo.
example, hindi masyadong babayan, okay? You need someone to help you to pull this, to pull the because it's hard to put this underneath here. So your assistant would usually help you by ano ba tayong
Explore. Cotton
Yes,
flies.
this one. Okay. Will help you by catching this, and then placing this. Okay. Hindi itong naglalaka there. So you could floss this down. And then you pull. So maganda yung adaptation niya. Yeah? Mas maganda yung
Medyo.
adaptation compared sa others. Sa kabila na medyo crumpled na ganyan. Okay? Alright. So, pag
Yung newtons ang nakabox. So, when you press plus and minus, that is what you can change. Okay? If you press select, forward. If you go plus or minus, it will change it. This is reverse. This is reciprocated, see, counterclockwise, okay? And you have reverse again. So it's very, very important that you know how to set your endomotor into reverse. Because when you use your files, you're supposed to go in 2 to 3 mm only every time you go out. In and out. You're not supposed to be, okay? But sometimes, feeling mo, okay na to, I just go in. And then you go in. And then what happens? Your file will bind. Okay? So, once it binds, it will not move. So, no matter how you try to turn it on, hindi talaga siya magmo-move. And you think if you do that, you can do it with your hands. It's very, very difficult. So, all you need to do is just relax. Okay? Presence of mind lang because sometimes kasi magpapanik tayo. So, just relax. Then you go to your settings and you put it on your reverse. And when you do that, it will very easily come out of the canal kasi naka-reverse na siya. So here, you see, we'll set that back to forward muna. Okay, there. Select. So now, ito yung So you see, may box siya or rectangle, and then meron siyang parang parenthesis. So it means endomotor being led by your apex locator. So while you're working, you can put this, okay? So this is where you will attach it. And on one end, you will have your lip hook. So this means as you're working, you will also see, so when you press start, so ideally you should always have a file inside when you put this start. When you press start, see, lumalabas din yung apex locator mo. So as you're working, you can see where you are. But what's important is your lip hook is hanging from your patient's lip. Without this, hindi siya mag-work. Okay, so this is, if you see, kasi in your, endomotor, you will see dalawang wire. Yung isang wire, isa lang yung head. Yung isang wire, dalawa siya. Okay? Ito, pag dalawa siya, this is for purely apex location. Okay? Ito, this is for live apex location. So, if you want it to be purely apex locator, here, it's only endomotor. I have to select. Here, endomotor with apex locator. That just means you're working, it's endomotor, and you have also the apex locator. Yung isa, yung naka-rectangle, tapos may parentheses, it means endomotor led by the apex locator. So which means that when the file is already at the apex, it will begin to go out by itself. Okay? So that's the thing you need to remember. So you need to remember to set that, and you need to know talaga how to put it in reverse, just in case mag-bind. Okay? If you want to change your RPM, you just press ito, program, so 500, 400, 250. So, tingnan nyo yung box, ano yung instruction. If you want to change anything else, just press select. Okay? So, whatever is in the rectangle is what you can change. Okay? So, if you want to use it for purely apex locator function, so, you will attach this. Okay? And one end will have the lip hook, ito,
What's the purpose?
lip
of that?
hook.
What's the purpose?
Para to transmit yung electric signal.
Parang mura-mura siyang mo ground, di ba, Dok?
Ground.
Parang
Ground.
ba?
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi it travels to electric.
And this is your file
So
clip.
without that,
So
the
you
Apex
open it.
will not
Okay.
work.
So for example, okay, so we like to use a K file when we use our apex locator. Okay. For example, ganon. Okay. So you go to only endomotor. So only apex locator. Okay. So when you press that, lalabas yung ganun. Okay. So here you will put this on your patient's lips. This doesn't go far from each other. Okay. So when you're actually working, nakaganon yung patient mo, you'll be holding this near you. Okay. And then this will be under your rubber dam. Okay. And then you already have your K file inside. You will open this, just push it to open and you clip it there. Okay? So, you want it to be at 0 where that is. Diba, Doc? 0 where that is. Yung arrow, 0.
Yan. Depending yan sa suggestion ng manufacturer. Kasi actually yung nakalagay na apex, baka dyan yung yan ba yung foramen o dyan yung length na working length na sinasuggest nila or dyan where it's blinking. Yan yun.
Or I think you need kasi dapat 0 yan. So, it